Just 5 minutes from Phuket, there is an island that feels completely removed from the crowds, where you can still see a glimmer of authentic Thai life. I'm exploring Coconut Island, also known as Koh Maphrao, a small green island that most visitors to Phuket never see. Reaching Coconut Island is simple. From Liam Hin Pier on Phuket's east coast, a long tailboat takes you across in about 5 minutes. It's so close that the two piers almost connects. The ride costs around 100 baht. As the boat approaches the island, the pace already feels different. There are no busy ports, no rows of tour boats, just calm water and dense tropical greenery. Coconut Island is small, quiet, and incredibly green. Palm trees, jungle paths, and open farmland cover most of the island. It feels less like a tourist destination and more like a place where daily life has simply continued at its own speed. There are a few resorts here, but they blend into the landscape and do not dominate the island. Most of what you see is nature, fishing villages, and silence. For generations, this island was shaped by farming and fishing rather than tourism. Unlike many places around Phuket, development here has remained limited. Its location, just far enough away and without major attractions, has helped keep Coconut Island largely unchanged. Most of the island can be explored on foot. Small paths cut through palm trees and dense forest, connecting quiet stretches of land and hidden corners of the island. There is also a main road from the pier where you can catch a motorbike ride or a tuk-tuk. Walking here feels slow and unplanned. There is no real route to follow, just trails leading through greenery and occasional open clearings. I walked into the forest, surrounded by vegetation and the sounds of insects and birds. From here, you can sense how untouched much of the island still is. This is the kind of place where the experience is not about what you see, but how it feels to move through it. Walking across the island, the path passes through a small village. Even without focusing on people, it is clear that this is a local place. Most of what you notice feels Thai, with only the occasional sign of foreign visitors. As I walked through, I could smell fish being grilled from a couple of small seafood restaurants nearby. Nothing here feels staged or polished. It is simple, functional, and very much part of everyday island life. The same feeling continues when you reach the beach. It is quiet and natural, but also unpolished. This is not a postcard beach, and it does not try to be. Despite the tropical setting, Coconut Island is not really about the beaches. The shoreline here is shallow, muddy in places, and not ideal for swimming. If you are looking for white sand and clear water, this island will probably disappoint. The appeal of Coconut Island lies further inland, in the walking, the quiet, and the atmosphere. Coconut Island works best as a short escape from Phuket. It is a peaceful day trip, perfect for walking, slowing down, and stepping away from crowds. It's not a place to stay for long, and it's not designed to entertain you. But if you want quiet, space, and a glimpse of a very different side of Phuket, Coconut Island delivers exactly that. Just minutes from one of Thailand's busiest destinations, Coconut Island remains calm, green, and almost overlooked. Sometimes the best places are the ones that ask very little of you and offer silence in return.